Let's try this window cleaning robot. So if you're like us and you have some tall, hard to reach windows at your house, maybe this product will help. Just open the included hard shell carry case, fill the bottle with window cleaner, and then fill up the unit. Then just stick it to the window and turn it on. It uses this part here to make a suction to the window, and then it has little tank style wheels to drive itself around, while shooting the window cleaner out of the small nozzles, and then wipes the window with the cleaning pad. It's a pretty genius design and it seems to work pretty well. It doesn't just clean windows though, it also works on our bathroom tiles and even the shower. It comes with a wireless remote so you can manually drive the unit around and spray solution for spot cleans if you want. Or you can just set it to automatic like I did and let the robot do its thing. It intelligently maps a path to cover the whole window, and then it just yells out when it's finished.
Finished cleaning.
I'm genuinely impressed with the result, and even happier that I didn't have to get up and wipe anything myself.
So I wasn't able to clean that window, but I was able to clean that one, and it looks much better than the top window.
Just peel the pad off and throw it in the washing machine. The box came with another 3 cleaning pads too, so you should be set up for ages. Check out the Hutt W8 at PB Tech now.